In Fargo, we have our first snow last Friday on October the 27th for 2023. Today, I just remembered that my daughter doesn't have a shovel in her car. It's very important that you have something like this from Home Depot or Lowe's. If you're a military family, don't forget to get a 10% discount. The other thing is if you haven't disconnected your hose where the sump pump the water out into your yard, you need to disconnect that so that it doesn't get frozen solid and have the water pump out just to flood back into the house. There's also the spigot that's around your house that you need to pay attention to because there might be water remaining in the pipe. The water inside will freeze, might burst. It happened to my house the first winter I was here. I have no idea I needed to do that. There might be a water shut off inside of your house, so you turn it off. And once it's turned off, then the water will not keep on flowing out, right? So then you open up the spigot on the outside of your house so to drain out the last bit of water so that there's nothing in there to freeze. If you don't know what to do, you can ask a plumber, probably your neighbor. So just tag along when they prepare for different seasons around the house. When I show houses with my buyers, if there's someone coming out next doors, and I usually make a point of saying hello and talk to them, see if they like the area. Make a point of making friends with your neighbors, helping each other out. It's gonna be a very exciting day to help building a house again. Go to Lake Agassiz Habitat for Humanity. You can sign up to help the less fortunate to build houses. That's also the other way to get to know your own house, how to maintain and how to maybe even fix things. So that's all for now. And again, this is Shanshan. You have a great day.